Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in this video we are going to talk about how you can customize refresh theme in Shopify, and it will be a full guided beginner friendly video. So in here I will discuss about everything step by step, so the video will be beginner friendly. So if you have any question related to the video, you can ask me on the comment box. So without any further ado, let's dive into the main topic. So as you can see, we are already in our admin panel, which called sometimes that is dashboard panel, and in here you can see the design of our front end of the website. As you can see it, this called Dawn theme, and this is our front end design, and we have an products on here. So I am going to change the theme as a refresh theme. Just click on online store. Once I click over here, underneath the online store, I will get couple of options called themes, pages, and preference. So here I will select this themes options. Once I come over here, then here you can see we have a theme which is currently using on our platform, that's called Dawn theme. So I want to change it. So here I will come over here, and here you can see we have couple of themes like horizon, server, basil, atelier, heartage. So I am going to click on visit theme store. Just click over here. Once you click over here, then here you just need to be search your theme called refresh. Here in the search icon, just here click over here, and then refresh. Here you can see we get an suggestion about that place. Just click over that one. Once you click over here, now here you can see this is the refresh theme, and this is totally free, and it has 28% positive review, and developer name is Shopify. This Shopify owns and a bulletin that elevates products quality and brand storytelling. Just click on try theme. Once you click over here, then here you can see there is a typical procedure will be run on the behind of the Shopify plan, and it will take a while to complete the process. So here you just need to wait a bit. As you can see in the here, the section is loading, so let's wait a bit to complete the process, then we will come to the next step. So finally you can see our refresh theme has been added in our theme library. Theme library, what is the meaning of this? These themes are only visible to you if you add any theme on your theme library. You can switch to another theme by publishing it to your store. So this is the thing about theme library. Just click on publish. Once you click over here, now here you can see this will refresh your current DOM theme. Just click on publish. Once you click over here, then the theme will be published within a second. As you can see, our theme has been published. Let's go, let's try to visit the place, and let's see the design. And now eventually you can see our design has been changed, and our all the things has been changed. So let's go and let's try to customize the theme. So our main goal was to customize refresh theme. So here I will come back to this one, and eventually you can see in the right corner that's called customize. Just click on customize, and then I will specifically talk about all the things about this theme. So here you can see we have three sections in our left corner. It's called header, then template, then footer. If I click on header, as you can see there is a one option called announcement bar. So if you want to hide it, you just need to click on this I button. If you want to enable it, just click on it again. When you click on this announcement bar, there is a open another one that's called announcement. But if you click over or select this one, then in the right corner you can see there's a couple of options we already got. As you can see, there's a section called announcement bar and auto route announcement. Just click one auto route. What is the meaning of auto route? So there is nothing happen. So if you want to change the color scheme, you are allowed to do it. Let's change the color scheme. So here you can see our color scheme has been changed. So in this way you can change your color, then separate a line. So if I disable it, then here you can check this out. In here there is something happen. So here you can see the separator has been come over here. Then additional thing we have that we can add social icons. If I enable it and I click on manage, now here you can see theme setting, we are allowed to add social links over here. So if you just type for facebook.com, then you will get the result over here. Now here you can see our social link has been come over here. There's a couple of other things like logo. We are allowed to add logo, then you can change the color. Just click on, and here you can see you can change the color scheme. Then you can change the typography of this one, the font, then scale. Just click on font and you can select your desired font from that place. Similarly, come back to this one, we have layout options. You can change the page width, then grid, and many things. You can add animations, hover effect, vertical lift. If you see this one, as you can see it, so in this way you can change all the necessary things. Like you have whole access to change all the thing from that place in this panel. Let's again come back to this one, theme setting, and click on announcement, and now you can change your text from that place. Welcome to our store. As you can see this text, if you want to add anything like subscribe, let's go and subscribe our YouTube channel, and here the text will be shown. Similarly, just click on header. Once you click over here, you will get similar options in the right corner. As you can see, logo position, you can change it as you want. There is 4 options we have, as you can see it. Which one you think will be perfect for your design, you are allowed to use it. Then mobile logo position, what will be in the logo position in mobile? As you can see, the mobile position will be center. If I click on left, then the position will be bit left in the mobile size. Then let's go on to the desktop, and now here you can see we have this menu. Just click over here, and here you can see you can replace the menu. If you want to edit, you can edit it. Like if you want to add further more menu, like we have home, catalog, contact. If you want to add more item like about us, contact us, then you are allowed to add it here. Once here you can see menu type, it will be drop down. Then you can select the mega menu, drawer. You have all the necessary things to do it. Then sticky header on, scroll up, then always it will be fixed, as you can see it. Then you can change the color scheme. Then you have additional options like country, region, similar padding. Then here we have settings, theme setting, and you can add logo, then custom CSS too. Then similarly you can add a couple of blocks over here. If you click on blocks, there is no blocks available, but you can add this one, my digital ad list. It will be added in here. Once you add product, it will be visible on here. Then you can add sections, as you can see it. Then custom liquid, if you want to add sections over here, again you can add it here. So let's click on hide. This way you are allowed to hide it. Then in the template section, you can see that slideshow. If you click on this one, you can change the image. So you just need to explore it one by one to make it more obedient and engaging for your customers. So here you can see feature collection, as you can see it, the feature collection. If you want to hide it, you can do it. Then here you can see subscribe to our emails. This is the work of footer. If you click on sections, there's a couple of options to add it, email sign up. Then if you click on here, you will get more options. Like as you can see, these are the elements you will get to add it here. Feature product, let's click on feature product, and it will be added in here, as you can see it. So you can explore it to know further more about Shopify, and there is the simple way to customize it. So you can customize all your necessary pages with this simple procedure. All the necessary procedures are same to customize this refresh page. I hope you understand how you can do your further work with the refresh theme. If you love this video, then don't forget to subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the like button. Till then, have a good day. I will catch you in the next video.